In this video, I'm going to show you how to group tracks in Pro Tools. Now to do this, of course, you must have multiple tracks you want to group. In this video, I'm going to just group these three over here. So what you have to do is just click and select all of them together. To do this, you can press on the first one with your mouse, left click, and then hold down the Shift key or the Control key on your keyboard and click on the other two as well. Now, whenever all of these are selected, as you can see up top left here, they're all selected. You want to press Control and the G on your keyboard, and when you press Control and the G, as you can see, it's going to pop up this Create Group window. Now in here, you want to give it a name. I'm going to name this one Tutorial Group like this, and then here you can of course select the ID, you can select the VCA, and of course the type, etc. And when you're done, you can simply click on the OK button, and that's going to create your group down here at the bottom left. So that's the best way to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.